What's going on, everybody? So today I'm going to show you how to make sea moss gel. I got spring water. I'm going to infuse the sea moss gel with bladderwrack to give you 102 total minerals needed for the human body. And I got the sea moss when I soaked it overnight. So let's begin. So the first thing we want to do is we want to put the sea moss inside of the blender. Sea moss inside the blender. And then since I'm going to infuse mine with bladderwrack, I'm just going to get me a little bit like that, about that much of bladderwrack, sprinkle it on there like that. You want to try to make sure the water is the same length, or about 75–80% of the sea moss that you got in the blender. And then you want to blend it. So after blending for about 4 or 5 minutes, got the sea moss gel. It's done. I'm gonna let you get a look at it. It's infused with bladderwrack and a line, key line. So there you go. So I just want you to get a good look at the sea moss gel. I got 8-ounce jars, sea moss gel. So that's how you do that. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe on the video. Let me know what you think. In the description box below, you can follow me on Instagram, Carbonbased_Cellfood. You can send me a friend request on Facebook. It's a link in the description box below for that. You can get you a blender, a food processor. It's a link in the description box below for that. You can also get alkaline herbs. It's a link in the description box where you can email me if you want to get alkaline herbs. I got the website coming. It's about 1 week away from being done now. So the website is carbonbasedcellfood.com. Again, that's carbonbasedcellfood.com. You can go onto the website. You can see all of this sea moss gel, alkaline herbs. You can see all of that on the website. If you want to get Emerald Tablets book by Billy Carson, it's a link in the description box below for that. So again, I just want to thank you for watching.